all 4 greens in this phase are rebuilds.
And they're going to be USGA greens, or how are you going to?
721 USGA spec, a little bit out of spec, but USGA concept. Sods getting lifted and put back down.
But you're going to go with herringbone drainage versus XGD, right?
Correct. In the rebuilt greens, and then the greens that are not slotted to be rebuilt per the master plan, those are getting XGD.
So you put XGD in them, but it's probably a safe assumption when you have these 4 greens done, they're going to be infinitely better.
Yes. One of the other ways I sold it is I am comfortable putting XGD in and continuing to aggressively aerify those greens, and we can get them to the point of 721 mix.
Well, but the bottom line is you could do that over a long period of time, but those greens within 2 years, when they hit maturity, they're going to be infinitely better.
Yeah.
They'll notice it. They'll be firmer.
Yeah.
And they'll pop better. And then at that point in time, you can say, you know, you're not going to believe this, but those greens cost me, let's say, $4,000 a year to maintain, while the old ones cost me $8,000 or $6,000.
Yeah.
So like if you do the math on that return, it makes perfect sense to start knocking out 2 or 3 a year.
We're on the 10th approach coming up to the green, part of the renovation, greens rebuild here. New bunkering approach will get widened considerably. It's going to be a lot better of a hole.
Whew, these are nice.
Yeah, one of the.
I don't know if I was a member if I'd let you rebuild this one.
Well,
these are nice.
tried.
I want to tell you, these are awesome greens. But you're going to lift the sod and put it down, right?
Yeah. Like I said, in
nice.
the master plan, I think we all knew from the get-go to rebuild all 18 greens, I don't know would be financially feasible. So that's why we picked and choose, and a lot of them are to get more pin placements.